Where? I on the rim way. You got the rim. Hey, what, bro? Hey, what, bro? Hey, what, bro? Nosy 30 guys. Here we are. Y'all remember I can't put the vehicle on the internet, but y'all remember the one with all the damage? Well, a lot of the parts have come in, guys. Whoa. Yeah, y'all remember this cradle? The damage. Whoa. What could you hit? I hope I can find that video where I first did this. Well, this is still a before video. See, I hope the frame wasn't bent. That's why they need this to give out before the frame is damaged, because once you start messing with the frame, it'd be hard to get that back straight. Whoa, what on earth did this guy hit? Whoa. I mean, we got 4 new wheels and everything. Somebody, this poor insurance company, guys. Oh, the insurance. Let's take a look at the parts. Yes, exhaust cat manifold. This the whole complete cradle. Yes, that is very much needed. Okay, that cradle is damaged. Oh, we got an oil pan. He must have damaged the oil pan. All the suspension parts. Let's take a look at this oil pan. This is an 8-speed transmission. He didn't damage that. So why did we get an oil pan gasket? I don't know. Oh, he dodged a bullet. Ooh, yes, this rack dodged all of that. So if this wasn't here, then yes, that could have been a little catastrophic. Because if you hit this, naturally, people tend to keep going without oil in their car, and that's when they lock up everything. So, whoa. Yeah, you got to bring all that down. You got a horse on top so it can just drop the cradle down. But look at the impact on this thing. Now, I'm not sure what happened in the rear. Whoa. Whoa. Ooh, that is some serious impact. Because they had the exhaust system off up to this point. So maybe that's why the exhaust that he had, the system that he had. Okay, those are new cats. Or muffler cats, the exhaust system. And I see 4 new wheels right here, guys. So, whoa, let's go. Where is the wheels to this thing? Let's take a look at the wheels. Whoa! Holy crap. Guys, this was a major impact. Yeah, so you almost had no choice but to stop because you can't roll no more. Not on this side, you got damage. Look at that wheel. Yeah, there's no straightening that out, and that tire took a dump. Look at the size of these freaking. Oh, there goes some more damage. Yeah, you had no choice but to get some wheels. Boy, look at the condition of that tire. I'm not the one to judge anybody and be saying burnout, because I don't know if burnout was an issue. I know this engine is powerful enough to do that. This has a supercharger in it, guys. This is one that I was showing you guys about. It's got the K&N filter on it. The K&N filter kit, cold air intake maybe. But yeah, this has the power, so it has enough juice to stop this, stop the front wheels from turning and spin off in the rear. It has the power. Now what do you do with that power is up to you guys, but if you own one of these monster vehicles, you have to be extremely careful and don't let the crowd entice you into doing something foolishness. I've seen video footage of people just wrecking their cars because it's fun. Like you work your butt off, your life saving to get one, you finally go out and get drunk and crash city. Whoa. I saw damage back here on the other. What in the world? Okay, maybe it was another car. And it gets more and more expensive. Thank goodness the blunt of the impact was back in the rear. Alright guys, I don't want to spend a lot of time on this. See, and also thank goodness we have a decent tire machine that can handle this size wheel, because it's a monster wheel. Whew. What about body damage? Was there any body damage? Just this. Okay, I guess, I don't know, you can live with that. Depending on how it's being paid. If you're paying out of pocket, you might not have much left over for the cosmetic, for the looks of the vehicle. Okay, at this point, safety is the issue, I guess, because this is totally unsafe. Alignment, as far as alignment goes, yes, you will have to do an alignment, but man, if it becomes a little hard to get back in alignment, you gotta go back to square one. That's why I'm no big fan of replacing cradle. That was a major impact if you need a cradle, and it's always hard. You definitely out of alignment, that's for sure. So you definitely got to make sure you get the car back in alignment. Look at the size of this thing. This size caliper is needed to bring this car to a complete stop after flooring it. Okay, look at the size of these rotors. Wow. All right guys, save the 9-speed, save the 8-speed rear wheel drive. They got the new version of the pan, and everything has been redesigned. Still the same transmission, but a lot of stuff has been changed and redesigned. They just unscrewed the O2, but should be done. You got all the parts. You should knock it out fairly quickly. Okay guys, that's all I have. I'm gonna go back this way guys. Skidoo.